In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dsers Aliexpress on Shopify. Whether you're new to dropshipping or just looking to optimize your current setup, integrating Dsers with Shopify can really make your life simpler and your business more efficient. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into this process together. First, you want to head over to the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and type Dsers into the search bar, and once it pops up, click on the app. You'll notice the Dsers description page. It gives you an overview of what you can expect from this tool. Now, hit that Add App button. This is the easy way to integrate Dsers with your Shopify store, ensuring you can access all its features right from your Shopify dashboard. Once Dsers is added, you'll be taken to an authorization page. Here, you'll find a brief explanation of what permissions you'll be granting Dsers. Essentially, this just allows Dsers to manage orders and products within your store. Click Install App to give the necessary permissions. Don't worry, this is standard procedure and perfectly safe, as long as you're using trusted apps. Now, let's connect your Dsers to Aliexpress. Open the Dsers app in Shopify, and you'll see an option to link your Aliexpress account. You might notice a prompt to sign in to Aliexpress. Simply log into your existing Aliexpress account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create an account first. It's a straightforward registration process that only takes a few minutes. Once logged in, Dsers will automatically link up to your Aliexpress account. With your accounts linked, let's configure some important settings to tailor the Dsers experience to your needs. Head to the Settings tab in the Dsers dashboard. Here, you can customize your order settings, such as auto-updating order status, which keeps your Shopify store up to date when shipments are processed. You can also set up notifications to inform you of any order updates. These settings are incredibly useful for managing your business efficiently and ensuring a smooth experience for your customers. Finally, it's smart to do a quick test to make sure everything is running as it should. Find a product you're interested in on Aliexpress and try importing it using the Dsers interface. Dsers makes this easy with a button that integrates directly into the Aliexpress platform. Click this button to add products directly to your Shopify store. Once imported, check your Shopify dashboard to confirm the product is listed correctly. This not only verifies that your connection is working but also gives you a first-hand look at how seamlessly Dsers integrates Aliexpress products into your store. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Dsers Aliexpress with your Shopify store, allowing you to streamline product imports, manage orders more efficiently, and focus on growing your business. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.